Learn English quickly. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words we will learn today. Number one, meet. Meet. What's the difference? Number two, tomorrow I will go for a walk. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob eats meat every Friday. Bob eats meat every Friday. Meat. Meat comes from animals that have passed away. Now we can make a flashcard for meat. Please make a card like this. Write meat up here in the top left corner, M-E-A-T. Down here in the bottom left corner, F-O-O-1. This means food, level 1. And over here in the bottom right corner, the number 30 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. We have two ways. Sometimes we say meat, and sometimes we say meat. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. They go for a walk every day. They go for a walk every day. They go for a walk. It means to go walking somewhere, usually for fun. Now we can make a flashcard for go for a walk. And remember, go is irregular. So we say yesterday we went for a walk. Please make a card like this. Write to go for a walk up here in the top left corner. Down here in the bottom left corner, VID 1. This means verb, idiom, level 1. And over here in the bottom right corner, the number 28 out of 76. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Go for a walk. Go for a walk. Game over. You did very well today. Remember, meat, M-E-A-T, is something people eat. Some people don't eat meat. They are vegetarian. Very good. Number two, to go for a walk. We also say to go for a drive, to go for a swim. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, can you say it? Mood. How somebody feels. Number 2, iron. We use this in the home for clothes. And number 3, the teacher will test the students on Friday. Today is Sunday, May 25th. If you are new, welcome. We have a rotating schedule, so you can join anytime. Please write your language on the other side. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.